GTP Kids. Hey kids, today I am drawing a food basket. Let's draw and color them. It's very interesting.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Wow, it's very interesting.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick
Green
as
color,
pudding.
Yankee
red
Doodle,
color,
keep it up, Yankee Doodle
yellow color,
mind the music and
light
the
green
step, and
color,
with the girls be handy.
brown color, orange color. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? I like colors. Hey kids, come on, please start to draw with me.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him.
Hey kids, come on, please try to draw with me.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and
First, I am drawing grapes. Eating fresh fruits is so healthy. Do you like eating fruits? And I am drawing a banana. And let's draw cherries. I like cherries. Hey kids, what's your favorite fruit?
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle.
Now I am drawing a pear.
Music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Let's draw an apple here. Finally, I am drawing a mango. I like mango. Hey kids, what's your favorite fruit? Now, let's complete the fruit basket. Now I am drawing strawberries. I like strawberries. Green color, red color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, orange color. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Now start coloring. Brown, yellow, green, red color, kids, I like red color. What's your favorite color? Brown color. Light green color. Sea green color. Red color. Hey kids, it's very interesting. Brown color. Green color. Yellow color. Green color. Purple color. Green color. Brown color. What a beautiful fruit basket! Looks so yummy! See you in next video. Bye bye.